everyone. So as I promised yesterday, I'm going to take you with me in the journey of phrasal verbs. As a recap, yesterday we have taken the word down and we are trying to learn as many phrasal verbs as possible which contain the word down. In case you have missed my yesterday's video, I have added the link in the description and the comment section. Okay, so now fourth phrasal verb. In continuation, let down. The phrasal verb let down is mostly used in one sense: to disappoint someone by not keeping or fulfilling your promise, the promise which you have made. So you have disappointed someone. Okay, for example, if I let my boss down now, I knew she'd never promote me again. So I can't disappoint my boss. I guess no one should do that. Do one thing. Keep watching my videos. I promise I will also not let you down. You will learn a lot. Next meaning: to lower position of something. For example, let the mug down into the bucket. Okay, not very commonly used. Let down is mostly used for the meaning number one, but can be used in this sense also. Next phrasal verb, settle down. So many people use it. It is also a phrasal verb, yes. So settle down has three meanings. First, when you start living in a place, when you become confident with that place. For example, why don't you settle down in India? Means the person has been traveling a lot and now someone is asking, why don't you settle down in India? Why don't you start living in India? Okay. Next meaning: when we make someone or we become quieter. Quiet? Teachers say this a lot. Okay, class, settle down. Students, settle down fast. Means now you need to be quiet and calm, relaxed at one place. Last meaning of this phrasal verb, settle down, is when one person accepts his or her responsibilities. For example, they settled down after having a child. Means now finally they have accepted their responsibilities. As a bonus, I am also giving you an idiom which contains the word down. The idiom is down in the dumps. Down in the dumps. It means to be very unhappy. For example, I am feeling a bit down in the dumps. See, it's so beautiful. Not the feeling, but the way we are expressing it. Again, have a look at it. I am feeling a bit down in the dumps. Simple, I'm very sad. Now this is Anushree signing off, and if you want to know about something, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.